Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Jobs in India. In this video, we are going to see SAP started their hiring for freshers. I am going to explain everything. So watch the video till end. Link will be provided in the description. You can visit there. You just visit our channel. You may get clear idea about your future. If you have any doubt about the regarding job, internship, interview update, you just comment me. I will surely reply the comment. So let's go to the video. This is from SAP product from development associate for Java and 3 years of experience in Bangalore 023, and it is a good looking for company. Education and qualification they mentioned skill and competitive BE Tech from aggregate score of 70% above, strong technical skill knowledge in SAP U5 Java and SCA, proficiency in OOP concept, strong knowledge of RDBMS and SQL is required. Knowledge on testing automation tool and concept is plus. Enthusiastic team players, strong communication skill to passionate deliver success. Expectation and tasks they are provided. This is Infosys REST and what all SAP or inclusion promises and which company, which all the job segment, text, cloud engineering, SAP technologies engineering. Full and full you are going to work in a SAP process, the one of the advanced process in the IT MNC company from Bangalore. So apply as much quickly. If you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section. I will clear your doubt. So thanks for watching.